Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite compatible GPU problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do, first click here and then type Windows Update Settings, and now just install all the updates that you can find here, and then let's move to the next step. Right click on your desktop, click NVIDIA control panel. Now click use my preference, move it to performance, and then click apply and close it. And after that click here and type view advanced system settings, and click on it. Settings, advanced, change, turn off this one, click here, and after that all you have to do, just type here 1024, and in second one multiply 1024 with how many RAM you have, with how many giga RAM you have in your PC. Like if you have 8, just multiply it with 8, and as you see here 1024 multiply and then 8. Now just type it here and click set, okay, and then okay again, and that's it. After that, just to start your PC, and after starting your PC you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.